Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
I must tell that he can enjoy this daydreaming exercise as long as he wants. You know who Prestone Song is?
Noi lam jo kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ha kesengi balang ka nyotrek nailar arajar arhuar. Ula sangat teng ya sembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba Prestone Song ula betha IKMLA jong ka all Trinamool Congress. Bakin lek penisok no Iladesh ka sengsan partai Bharatiya Janata Party shwak election arajar arhulai. Ha kejing Kren begila pathai kubor Dr. Mukul Sangma ula ong bau ba Prestone ula pan Kren Katba namar ba kijing Kren kijong u kilong tang kijing Kren bom dan nong rem setia ru.
I must tell that he can enjoy this daydreaming exercise as long as he wants. You know who Prestone Song is. I also know who Prestone Song is, so he can continue in daydreaming and speak whatever he likes without responsibility or with responsibility. It's up to our friends from the media fraternity also to ask him, and at the same time let the people also judge him. Song doesn't have to accept AITC. Okay, Prestone Song doesn't have to accept AITC. NPP doesn't have to accept AITC, but he should know what exactly is happening. Does he think that everybody is accepting NPP? I have had the privilege to get so many inputs. People who have decided to be with NPP, be their projected candidates, they're having tough time to retain their own people, own political comrades who are questioning them about their alignment with NPP and leaving them. This is what is happening on the ground zero. You can do your own research and then corroborate with your fact finding.